Hi, this is Lisa Stepanovic, Senior Instructional Designer at the Merrimack campus. This video will show you how to set test exceptions to the general availability of a test, a new feature of our Blackboard upgrade. Have you ever had a student who had to take a test at a different time than the rest of the class? Or a student whose accommodation affords him extra time to complete a test? More than likely, the answer is yes. Previously in Blackboard, when these situations occurred, you would have to make a copy of the test, make it available only to the student who needs the exception, and set the exceptions for this student. But you no longer need to make a copy of the test. You can set the exceptions on the same test that everyone else in class will take. To set test exceptions, go to the content area where the test resides. Then open the drop-down menu to the right of the test and select Edit the Test options. Then scroll down to Section 3, Test Availability Exceptions. Click the Add User or Group button. On the screen that follows, click the checkbox next to the users and/or groups that require exceptions. Then click Submit. You can set 4 kinds of exceptions: number of test attempts, timer and auto-submit. This is where you would provide students with extra time to complete the test and turn on the auto-submit feature. Availability dates, to display the test after and until specific dates outside of its general availability to others. And there is also a forced completion option, which only allows you to turn this feature off if it is on for the rest of the class. Let's look at a short demonstration of this process. Go to the area containing the test and select Edit Test Options from the drop-down menu to the right of the test name. Notice that this test has a time limit of 30 minutes. Scroll down to the Test Availability Exceptions area and click the Add Users or Groups button. A list of your students and groups will display. Click the checkbox to the left of the students you want to make an exception for, then click Submit. For this student, we will allow 2 test attempts and increase the time limit to 1 hour. To remove an existing exception, click the red X in the last column. Click the Submit button to complete the process. Please note that you can set a maximum of 2 separate exceptions on a test. For more information, please go to stlcconline.info or contact one of your campus instructional designers. Thanks for your time.